Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan nama saya Ahmad Rafi Syahzil Al-Fakih dengan NIK 10.20.12.33.0005 dari kelas T4704. Pada kali ini saya akan menjelaskan tentang state cause problem. The state cause problem is a problem specially constructed to illustrate the features and introduce the terminology of dynamic programming. It concerns a mythical fortune seeker in Missouri who decided to go west to join the gold rush in California during the mid of 19th century. The journey would require traveling by stagecoach through unset country where there was serious danger of attack by marauders. Although his starting point and destination were fixed, he had considerable choice as to which states or territories that subsequently became states to travel through and road. The possible roads are shown in Fig 10.1, where its state is represent, re, represented by a state road letter, and the direction of travel is always from left to right in the diagram. Thus, for stage, correspondents were required to travel from his point of embarkation in state Missouri to his destination in state G, California. Untuk garis besar dari state Cause problem mengilustrasikan fitur-fitur yang diperkenalkan teknologi pemrograman dinamis. Masa ini bercerita tentang harta karun mitos di Missouri yang memutuskan untuk pergi ke barat dan bergabung dalam The emas di California pada pertengahan abad ke-19. Di sini ada matriks untuk cara pengerjaan dari matriksnya. Untuk A ke B dia memiliki nilai eh, jaraknya adalah 2, A ke C adalah 4, A ke D adalah 3. Dan di sini ada pun juga matriks dengan ukuran 3 kali 3, B ke E dengan jarak 7, B, B ke F dengan jarak 4, B ke G 6, C ke E 3, C ke F 2, C ke G 4, D ke E 4, D ke F 1, D ke G 5. Ada juga matriks selanjutnya E ke H 1, E ke I 4, F ke H 6, F ke I 3, G ke H 3, G ke I 3, H ke J 3, I ke J 4. Nah, dan ini adalah untuk yang seperti materi sebelumnya yang digambarkan dari titik ke titik. Next is solving the problem. First, note that the short-sighted approach of selecting the cheapest run offered by its successive stage need not yield an overall optimal decision. Following this strategy would give the route A, B, F, I, G a total of cost of 30. However, sacrificing a little on the side may permit greater saving thereafter. For example, A, D, F is cheaper overall than A, B, if. One possible approach to solving this problem is to use trial and error. However, the number possible route is large, 18, and having to calculate the total cost for each route is not an appealing task. Fortunately, dynamic program provide a solution with such less effort than exhaustive enumeration. The computational savings are enormous for larger version of this problem. Dynamic programming starts with a small portion of the original problem and finds the optimal solution for this smaller problem. It then gradually enlarge the problem, finding the current optimal solution from the preceding one until the original problem is solved in its entirety. Jadi untuk garis besarnya pada slide ini, eh, jadi kita harus mengorbankan beberapa rute. Di sini contohnya rute ADF itu lebih murah dibanding dengan rute ABF. Dimana jika kita harus sering-sering juga untuk melakukan trial and error atau melakukan banyak kali percobaan untuk menentukan rute terbaik. For the cycles problem, we solve a smaller problem where the fortune seeker has nearly completed his journey and has only more stage run to go. The optimal solution for this malas is to go from his current state, whatever it is, to his ultimate destination state G at each equation. Iteration the problem is enlarged by increasing by one the number of states left go to complete this journey for this enlarged problem. The optimal solution or go to next is possible state can be found relatively easily from the result obtained at the preceding iteration. The details involved in implementing this approach follow. Jadi setelah itu kita harus menentukan iterasi-iterasi yang akan kita gunakan dalam perhitungan ini untuk menentukan rute yang paling optimal. Dan ini untuk garis besar dari slide ini. And there's the formula. Uh, di sini kita menggunakan variabel xn, dan itu 1, 2, 3, 4 di the immediate destination on stage n. Uh, dan terus the road select is A, X1, X2, X3, X4, dan sampai dengan J. Let Fn as Xn be the total cost of base overall policy for remaining states given that the fortune seeker in the state ready to start stage n and select Xn as the immediate destination. Jadi kita menentukan Xn itu sebagai tempat dari tujuan. Given as and let s and denote any value of xn, not necessarily unique, that minimize fn as xn and let fn on s. And there is the formula where fn immediate cost stage n plus minimum future sama dengan stage n plus 1 onward is c sx n plus fn plus 1 xn. And next, the value of CSXN is given by the preceding table of CIZ by setting I is S the current state and GXN the immediate destination. Jadi kita di sini juga nganggap kalau misalnya I itu sama dengan S atau bisa dibilang titik sekarang, dan J itu X bisa dibilang dengan titik akhir. The objective to find F1 is and the is corresponding route dynamic programming finds based on several finding F4 for each possible state and then using F2 to solve for F1. Whenever the seeker has only more than to go and is 4, and so thereafter he still remain entirely based his current states, either H or I. And its final destination X4 is G. So the road final stage cost is run is G. Therefore, since F for S is F for SG is CSG, the immediate solution to the N4 is the problem is. Jadi sini N-nya adalah 4 ya. Jadi di sini kita mencari rute yang menggunakan harga yang lebih murah. Di sini seperti contoh di poin ketiga 6 tambah 3 itu mendapatkan hasil 9, dan di poin keempat 3 ditambah 4 sama dengan 7. Maka kita memilih yang nilainya itu 7 karena lebih kecil daripada 9. Solution procedure stage 3. Simulation calculation needs to be made when start from the others to possible states S is E and S is G with 2 stages to go. Try proceeding both graphically 10.1 and algebraically combining psi and values to verify the following complete. Jadi di sini kita menghitung n sama dengan 3 dan kita memasukkan titik awal dan yang dituju dan melakukan menghitung H, I, F3 dan X3-nya. There's solution for the stage two. The solution stage two is problem n is two, where there 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 are the stage two is obtain similar equation is the case f2 sx2 is csx2 is f3. For example, suppose that the foreign seeker is state C and the bed this pasted below. Jadi di sini kita harus menentukan dari setiap rute yang ingin dituju. Contoh seperti di sini ada X2-nya, kita mengarah ke E, itu mendapatkan hasil 7. Dan untuk C ke F, dia mendapatkan hasil 9, dan C ke G, dia mendapatkan hasil 10. Dan di sini kita memilih jalan dari C ke E karena eh, the minimum total of the cost. Jadi nilai yang paling murah, yang paling kecil ada di C ke E, yaitu adalah 7. Dan di sini adalah menghitung juga sama seperti yang di slide sebelumnya. Kita menghitung solution prosedur slide sebelumnya menggunakan matriksnya. Nah, di sini ada solution prosedur stage 1. Di sini moving to the stage 4 and is one with the all four steps we go to be that the calculation similar to show per second problem is to accept how now there is this possible starting as is A as dispatched below there's calculation or summary for the next alternative for the correct destination. Sini ini sama seperti solusi yang sebelumnya, kita menggunakan eh, titik apa yang jalur-jalur itu menggunakan matriks, making the conclusion. An optimal solution of the entire problem is currently identified by the first tables. The result for the n is one perfect problem indicate that fortune seekers should go initially to either state C or state D. Suppose that choose x1 C. For n2, the result for S is C is x. E, the result led to the n is 3 problem, which give it x3 h for A and the n for specific using x1 leads to either of optimal routes A, D, H, E. Dan ini rute yang dipakai adalah A, D, E, H dan A, D, F, I. Dan ini adalah hasil akhir dari pengerjaan tersebut. Sekian, terima kasih dari saya. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.